Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on Asus ROG Phone 6. So in order to do this, let's open our home screen like this, and now hold your finger onto the screen. Then you will see these widgets, so click on it. Right here you'll be able to pick whichever widgets you want to use, so choose whichever one. And in this case I'll be adding a calendar, and right here we've just added our widget. Now to remove it, hold your finger onto the widget and simply drag it up to remove. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.